Okay, those characters, the love of the rose, we are going to learn together with the rose painting in our Gongbi rose painting workshop. And those two zodiac characters for lunar year, the whole year. So just not just for rose class, rose painting. So I'm going to demo here, and this demoed in the grass style, running style, cursive style. Now I'm writing the bigger one to demo the standard style for you to see clear. So you can use all year round for painting and for people's you are interested in the lunar year, zodiac, how to write this zodiac for zodiac year characters. First characters, Gui. If you look at the Google, and wrote those. And the Western characters, standard style. Okay. I use bigger brush for that, for the bigger size, and then need lots of ink for calligraphy writing. This is the first character, and second characters, Sang Mao, right? Standard style. Okay, those two characters in standard style put together means the year of this year. Okay. Our system in Chinese traditional system, there are two systems to state the year, normally on painting and calligraphy. There are 10 for the heavenly stem and 12 for the earth branch. So this character is from heavenly stem, and this from the earth branch. So this character will, the circle, because 10 in order, will appear every 10 years. This appeared every 12 years, okay? And both of them together every 60 years, you will see those two characters together, once. Normally in tradition, and historically, Chinese people say rare 70, which means, in your painting or calligraphy writing time, it's normally older than 10-year-old, right? And your painting time is how many years? So normally see only once those two characters together, right? In your life, it's possible nowadays. Of course, it's possible to see twice in people's life, and by the characters, you will see which year the artist did this painting. Okay, so I'm demo here to these characters, 2 characters for this year. And you can use this for any painting or calligraphy instead of write the number for the year. Okay, and now I'm also going to briefly to explain the silk, what I'm using. See this shiny, beautiful silk. I did this painting on the silk, and I mounted on this board. Actually, we have this silk. It's paper-backed silk, which means the surface layer is silk, and the back is mounted with the silk with the back already. So and it's treated, is sized. It's not running for ink or the color. And we have different tone. It's called white gold or silver or some things. Yeah, we have 2 to 3 choices for this, and we sell them for in yard. I cut it rounded by the how do you call it, the ruler of, hold on just 1 sec. Yeah, I cut the silk first. You know, the interesting thing is, I found this silk is very good for gombi painting, because look, this is the gombi painting template, and this is transparent. Big advantage for the gombi painting. See, you can trace on that, and on the light box with light box underneath, even clear. See that? Looks solid, gold color, but it's transparent. See the template, very clear. So I trace it, and then I mounted it on the board, okay, and with the silicone film sandwiched in between. But interesting thing is, ironically, I cut this. Do you see that? I cut this larger, bigger than the background. You know, by itself is ready for painting, but those are, you know, you cannot trace. So I use this as the like the frame things. So now it stands by itself. It can be displayed on the stands, the picture stands, or you can put it in the frame ready for framing. So when I cut the wire, I cut it larger, not accidentally. I decided I matched this one. We have 2 kinds. This one is perfect. And then I changed the idea. I think I want to put on this one, but this one is smaller than this one. I didn't notice it, you know, by looking. So until I'm going to put it on, it's larger, it's bigger. So I could have done it very precisely, but I didn't mesh it, carefully. So when you do that, you want exactly match the same thing, the things you want put it on. You match the size, and then you cut it. I draw a line. I can picture later, show you. Yeah, I draw the line there, and I cut it. Okay, that's how I do that. I like it because it's sized, it's beautiful, and it's sized, and also it's transparent. So I have a chance to use the template to work. Okay, give you one more choice for the gombi painting, so you can do on the sized paper. Also, this is sized things for the painting. We can do it on the template, and this is paper-backed silk with the beauty of the silk, and also it's very easy. I feel even when you work on that, even with the paper feeling, it's finer than the fabric, than the normal silk. I like it a lot. Okay, and you do not have to use this rounded things. You can cut it square, and do the regular framing things. We sell it by yard. It's originally rectangular shaped things. Okay, and happy painting, and hope to see you in the rose painting class, gombi class, in 2 weeks. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.